Alright everybody, so we're going to be unboxing a couple Milwaukee tools that I showed in the previous video. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you so much for watching. Alright guys, so we're going to be doing a quick unboxing video of these two Milwaukee tools. So the iron I would also unbox the one that I bought from Jason Reynolds on YouTube, but it's not coming in a box, so I'll just give some information on it when it gets here. Through the instruction booklet. Okay. I think that's everything that came in it. Yep. Look, came with this, it came out the box. It's got the spec on it. It says 750 degrees, max temperature, heat output 90 watts, heat up time 18 seconds, heat indicator yes, interchangeable tips yes, chisel and point, LED work light yes. Runtime 45 minutes. I'm sure that runtime depends on the battery. It may actually have a cutoff at 45 minutes. I guess we'll find out. Length is 10.87 inches. Weight is 0.5 pounds. So here is it's kind of sticky. So that's that. Here's the chisel tip. That. And then the cutoff tool. Instructions. Move the box out the way. It's funny how two of the blades are. This blade looks like it was used. Actually, a couple of these look like they were used. Wonder if this was a pre-packed That's odd. I'm gonna grab a battery and check this just in case. Because even there's scratches all over the bottom of it. There's quite a bit of scratches all over this. Wonder if this was used. I might actually have to take this back because only one of these came in a package. This one definitely looks like it was used. And this one looks like it was used too. It's got rolled over burrs on it. Well, this is what I picked up. These are the unboxings. I might have to take one of these back. Might have to take this one back just to see. It functions though. So what's weird is there's an Allen and a cap, but there's already one on here. But that's the unboxing, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I could be being paranoid, I don't know. But there's a lot of fingerprints on this, and there's scratching all over it. And this inside is kind of oily. But, that's just a quick unboxing video. You know, it could come with two different. But even this, look, check this out. As I open this. Looks like there's wood on it. Yeah, I think this was repackaged and used. But anyways, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And let me know what you guys think if you like these Milwaukee videos. I also ordered a bunch of Milwaukee tools from Acme Tools. So we're going to be doing an unboxing of those when they get here. And I'll tell you the prices and what things I got for free on that order. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.